Welcome back to SQL family. Today we are going to see about one of the most important concept in foreign key, and it's the most asked interview question nowadays. Let's see. So the question is, can we create a foreign key on the same column which is primary key already? The answer is yes. So now I will show you how to achieve this result. So now I am going to create a two tables. One is supplier and another table is product. So supplier table containing supplier ID and supplier name on contact name. The supplier ID is the primary key for this table. So now I'm going to create this table created. And the product table containing product ID and supplier ID. The supplier ID is the primary key for this table. So now I'm going to create a product table. So I have created two tables and supplier ID is the primary key for both tables. Now I am going to make a relationship between both tables using foreign key constraint. So using alter statement, so now table is altered. That means system is when I am going to insert the data from product table in supply ID column, that data will be validated. The data is already presented or inserted in supply table, and the data is not duplicate values, and that will not allow not null value, like not allow null values. So this is the concept of foreign key, which is the same column as a primary key. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel to get more information like this kind of informations, and please comment me if you have any query related or uh, any concept, new concept, or any interview question you faced, and that answers are not aware of that. Please subscribe me and comment me. Thank you all. Bye.